Just give them all the mics. This is another very proud moment. I've known her for such a long time. So proud of you, Meenakshi. Big round of applause for her as well. Well, sir, we'll start with you. This is action-packed, power-packed. You've been seeing it a million times in your edit studio. जब लोगों के साथ देखते हो और जो सीटियां सही वक्त पर चलने लग जाती है, how are you feeling looking at it?
अरे सब लोग तो मेरे ही है यार सारे मतलब the main thing is 15th
Attendance तो full है.
15th August को जब 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 that's when we'll go out to the theaters and cinema halls and then hopefully the मतलब we'll not be able to hear the dialogues
But
which are
there,
very good by the way.
absolutely. But ये, you know, this combination between you and John sir is always fantastic. And like I say, you know, कई बार believable नहीं लगता है कुछ चीजें जब हम बड़े पर्दे पर देखते हैं. आप दोनों की जो केमिस्ट्री है फॉर एक्शन इतना बिलीवेबल लगता है. So the first time, कई बार हो चुका है. We've seen it on big screen also. What is this magic and how does this always happen?
Because I think when John hits something, it looks as if it's going to break, right? So I mean, you know, Salim Saab told us that told me one day, Salim Saab said that they created Amitabh Bachchan, right? Salim and Javed, they created Amitabh Bachchan, and nowadays आजकल के जो हीरो है, जब वो लोग गन पकड़ते हैं उनको आप कहना चाहते हो बेटा रख दो चल जाएगी, right? With John, it looks as if it's a part of his hand, right? And it's so it's like I mean. It's very the important thing is how do we keep challenging him? How do you make it more difficult for him? How do we keep making it more and more difficult for him to do something which is like, you know, which is not done before? So yeah.
You know, but John, you're just way beyond just the physicality of it. मुझे याद है कि हम लोग कई बार इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं. अब बॉडी है तो है, but you've gone way beyond that in the last many years. और बॉक्स ऑफिस पर चाहे सत्यमेव जयते हो, चाहे बाटला हाउस हो, वो भी चल जाती. You've learned how to use this beautiful physicality and it doesn't overpower the screen with that. वो है अब बाइसेप है तो है, लेकिन पावर पैक भी बहुत परफॉर्मेंस हो जाती है. Is there also that special understanding between निखिल जब आप फिल्में बनाती हो उनके साथ भी? You know how not to showcase. अभी सिक्स पैक नहीं दिखाना है, वो जमाना जा चुका है. आप सब कुछ दिखा चुके हो. So the next part of it, moving forward, which is true.
सब कुछ दिखा दिया है.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
But moving forward also, this now looks so real. We love watching it. तभी सीटियां actually निकल जाती. So is there that special understanding also when you're making action cinema with him?
Yeah, I think first of all, thank you for having us here, and thank you for coming here. I've come on stage, I think, after 2 or 3 years, so I'm a little awkward and I'm a little rough on the edges. So, yeah, with Nikhil, it's he just has to walk up to me and he's about to give me a brief, and I say, yeah, that's what you want, yeah, okay. So it's a mental connection that two of us have, and I always say this, and I don't know whether I'm politically correct in saying this, कि आप फिल्म को जितना भी मार्केट करो कुछ फायदा नहीं अगर फिल्म खराब है. You can market it till the cows come home. I think Veda is a damn good film, and I'm saying this on record. It's a very good film, and we'll see on August 15th with the word of mouth as to what Veda does.
ये वर्ड ऑफ माउथ शब्द एक्चुअली आजकल बहुत पावरफुल हो चुका है. यहाँ स्टेज पर कुछ लोग ऐसे खड़े हैं जिसके बारे में ये बहुत इजीली जानते हैं. I'm going to come to her also. She's understood what this word of mouth is. 100 crores ऐसे हो जाता है. But Umesh, Zee Studios had a very successful run. But you know, whenever you look at what film should we choose, ऐसा होता है कि यार इस फिल्म में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा है. Like John has seen this, डबिंग में भी देख लिया है. लेकिन जब लोगों के साथ देखते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि okay, Veda has something extra. ऐसा आपके साथ भी हुआ था? How did you choose this?
With this bunch of great makers, with this cast and the story that we have, how could we say no? I think when you watch the movie and you guys have seen the trailer, it's a very powerful film. And with this one, we definitely think we will punch this out of the market.
Did you chat with a lot of people to say, यार मेरा तो एकदम perfect आया है इसके, you know, looking at this, you feel my instinct is perfect. But then you do second guess your own instinct also with your close ones also when you're watching it.
So I think the audiences finally who will give us the verdict. We are leaving it to them. We are very happy with the product, and like John said, कितना भी marketing कर लो, ultimately the content speaks, and that it is.
The word of mouth शब्द जो था, Sharvari knows all about it. I remember मुंजिया के time में there was a little bit of stress. She was in my studio. Salil, it should work. ऐसा चल गया. Can you please tell us what you're eating? या what is the मंत्र जाप that you're doing? 1 महीने से सिर्फ आपको ही आपको देखते जा रहे हैं. Big round of applause for her also. She just burst onto the scene in a very short time. और हर एक एक्टर ये समझता है जब आपकी पहली फिल्म आती है और जो शायद ऐसा ना करे जैसे आप चाहते हो और उसके बाद एक गैप हो जाता है, फिर धड़ाधड़ जब आने लग जाती हैं, you're just saying, wow, this is like Sachin Tendulkar hitting 50 and 100s. So congratulations. But this is again a very different avatar. You know, the assumption would be कि आप एक टाइप का ऐसा रोल पकड़ेंगे और बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो जो आपने रूल बुक को बाहर फेंक दी है इसके बारे में जरूर बताएं.
Uh, my heart is pounding a little bit.
Now you should be used to it.
Um, I'm also seeing this trailer in the theater with so many people and this kind of sound effects for the first time. So my heart is pounding. That's where you guys will hear my heart. But I'm just grateful actually at this point for everything that has happened so far. Like you said, of course, my journey has not been you know that your first film comes and then it doesn't work the way you wanted it to work. It's been a 3-year gap, like you said, so it's been a while. But a film like Veda, I just want to say thank you to Nikhil sir, the main person, the first person who's given me this film. And I just want to say thank you because this film has not, I think I found confidence in myself. When I was on the set, I have found confidence when he gave me this film because for an actor like me, it's important for a director like Nikhil sir to just believe in you. Forget the end product, forget what happens, etc. But the fact that he put his faith in me, that just means the whole world to me because that has changed everything for me. You know, it has made me a different person. It has made me a different actor. And thank you, Nikhil sir, for
I can
everything.
genuinely feel the gratitude coming out right now, and I can see their relief also. I can also feel tears behind you. This is fantastic. You've done it. You've made it. This is brilliant. I know the wait can be really long, so congratulations. You deserve all the success.
Thank you so
Really do.
much to everyone also. Thank you so much.
बट इस आदमी की मैं जितनी बात करूं उतनी कम है. एवरी टाइम यू कम ऑन स्क्रीन, अभिषेक मैं बताऊं, यू नो लोग पहले बोलते थे ना कि स्वैग होना चाहिए, स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस होना चाहिए. धीरे धीरे करते 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 यू नो यू हैव मेड सच अ लवली नेम फॉर योरसेल्फ आल्सो. पहले तालियां इनके लिए भी हो जाए बॉस. जब भी लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अपने बलबूते पर अपने दम पर लोग जब बड़े हो जाते हैं एंड यू नो धीरे धीरे करके अच्छे परफॉर्मेंसेस के साथ, एंड नाउ यू डिजर्व एवरी बिट ऑफ सक्सेस ब्रदर. यू आर सच अ ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मर. और अभी जॉन के सामने अगर जब मारपीट भी करनी होती है, देखिए आपको मसल बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. आप तो बेस्ट यही हो. बाकी सारे जो उनको ऐसे 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 आना पड़ता है. सो कंग्रेचुलेशन ऑन प्योर टैलेंट ऑल्सो एंड व्हाट अ वंडरफुल परफॉर्मेंस. छोटा बहुत थोड़ा बहुत देखा है सिर्फ ऑब्वियसली, बट इन पे भी काम करके और इनके साथ काम करके कैसा लगा आपको?
नहीं, आई थिंक मैं जब कॉलेज में था और मैं किसी को बोलता था कि मैं एक्टर बनेगा तो बोलता तू विलन बनेगा. मतलब वो कभी, हाँ मतलब हमेशा से क्या
चरित्र क्या?
पता नहीं, मतलब
अच्छा.
चेहरे पे ऐसा कुछ था या क्या चरित्र की बात है. तो आई थिंक उन सारे कॉलेज के दोस्तों को बोलना चाहूंगा कि मैं फाइनली विलन बन गया और वो भी जॉन अब्राहम के ऑपोजिट. सो यू नो आई थिंक आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. एंड मैंने निखिल सर को ऑलमोस्ट चेस किया था. वो किसी और एक्टर से बात कर रहे थे कि यार तुमसे मिलना है. मैं घुस गया था बीच में कि शायद मुझसे ही मिल लूं. और फाइनली जब मैं मिला तो अरे क्या आप, मैं नाम बोल लूंगा इस एक्टर का लेकिन लेकिन फाइनली मैं इनको संडे को मिला था और इन्होंने मुझे ये वेदा की स्क्रिप्ट जो है मैंने वहाँ पढ़ी. एंड आई थिंक इट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट्स आई एवर रेड. एंड आई रियली रियली, मतलब ये मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं इस फिल्म में काम कर रहा हूँ. बिकॉज ऑफ कास्टिंग के काम की वजह से भी बहुत सारे स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ता हूँ. आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल स्क्रिप्ट और ये इंडिया के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मतलब हमारे देश के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कहानी है. And I mean, and it's a privilege to work with this team and this director. I still remember this one small thing. It was a talkie scene, and Nikhil sir just came and told me that इसको बस तू action scene की तरफ. ये छोटा सा जो एक tip था, that changed a lot in the performance. So I'm grateful. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being there throughout this journey. And now,
Absolutely. I'm going to give out to the audience before that, but just some words with me just before I ask the audience to ask their questions. You know, you make a film and you've got like so much prep work has actually gone in there. You have to choose and you have to be honest about this. Who really surprised you? Prep work से जो कूद के बाहर आ गया. He said, "My God, man, what did they do on screen?" मैंने सोचा था अच्छा करेंगे लेकिन ये तो कहीं ज्यादा अच्छा हो गया. If you had to choose somebody, who would that be in the film?
That would be Kshitij. Very, 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 very Kshitij. Yeah.
ओए क्या बात.
You can turn around, brother. Let them see who you are. Yep.
He's just I mean, at face value, he's this lovely, good-looking boy. But I mean, he really was the guy who I needed to torment her, and then become like a crazy, like a crazed kind of person. And I think John and I sat and watched so many of Kavish kept sending us stuff, and John and I kept looking, and we kept saying, okay, John, he's good looking, right? Good looking. But John would say, yaar, body bhi acha hai, yaar. That kind. but we kept looking. But I think that what I mean, there's a kind of you really hate him. You really, but you at one point in the film you want to turn and say, "Isko maar padni." Yeah, which is great. I think that's lovely.
John, do you still like beating people up on screen? I mean, is it fun? You don't, right? You're actually not as aggressive as people say that you are.
Not at all. Not at all. I'm actually very, very soft in real life. I've
Absolutely.
never, just knowledge that no one knows probably. I've never got into a fist fight in my life.
That's because people are too scared to get into a fist fight with you. That's different. It's not you. It's not them. It's you.
No, I think I'm non-confrontational. I don't like fighting. I don't think it's the best way. On screen, yeah, a little bit of pulling steering wheels out and all that.
Yeah, literally.
There's a-
And you're an amazing animal lover. That's why I love you
There's
so
a,
much.
there's a lovely moment that I want to just quickly chat about. Have 2 seconds.
All yours.
And I can't. Whatever we can say about John in this and his uh, involvement in this film is less, because really at the end of the day, somebody of that stature and that kind of a star to basically come to the set, and I say, John, today you're just standing. Snaker, standing, and you're watching. Just stand. And he just kept doing it. I remember at one point, I think we were at the 40th or 50th day or 40th day of show or 30th day of show, something like that. And Sharvari came to me and she said that, John today said, because it was the first day of action. And John said, now the film starts.
50 days in.